Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a unboxing. I hope this shaking in my camera isn't bothering y'all, but it's the best I could do. Alright, so I just recently ordered some gel polish. I ordered it July 15th. Today is July the 18th, I think. So I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys. This package is from DTK Nail Supply, and they say you have to be licensed to order from them. I'm not licensed and I ordered this, so there's a plus. But just trying to open this up, and I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, let's do a little silent prayer because this is gel polish and regular nail polish. I pray to God that nothing is broken or damaged, because it does say fragile on the box. So hopefully they handled it with care, like it says on the box. But I ordered this from DTK Nail Supply. They were having a deal where you get a gel polish and a regular polish for $6, and I had to jump on it. So here we go. Yeah. Okay, now I watched a video a while back, and the girl's polish had broke, and from the looks of it, they upped their packaging game because they bubble wrapped it. So just going to open up all of these boxes. They have upped their packaging a lot because she had a broken nail polish, and that kind of, like, you know, scared me because I don't want anything broke that I paid for. But I'm trying to open these boxes, and here we are. These are the DND Gel Polish duos. You get a gel polish and a regular polish. They are so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do some fun nail designs with these. Let's see. Here's like the little receipt. I don't want to show too much because I'm pretty sure my address is on here. But I got 20, how many did I get? I think it was like 20, I don't know, it was like 28 or 25 or something like that. And it came out to be $156. No tax, no shipping fee, which is perfect because, girl, when you be online shopping and you think everything going good, and then they hit you with that tax and that shipping fee, you be shook. And that happens to me a lot because I'm always online shopping. But here are my nails right now. I did color nails for my birthday because it's my birthday. Like, I'm not doing nude nails for my birthday. So I'm really excited about this black and this white. I know, weird, right? Because it's like, girl, it's black and white. But the reason why I'm so excited is because I needed a bigger black and white. So now I have it, and this is the actual white, because on the website it looked very like cream, but it's an actual white, which is amazing. These are 15 milliliters, I think, which is perfect. And like I said, you do get the gel and the regular polish, and I feel like this is a very, very good deal for some gel polish, because gel polishes by themselves can go up to $15. And just imagine you getting a regular polish and a gel polish for $6. Like, they have gel polishes that are $6 by themselves. So this is a really good deal. These colors are so pretty. I cannot wait. And I am going to order some more, of course. Probably like Tuesday or something, you know, because I'm trying to get my camera. So after I get the camera, out the way, that's when I can buy some more polish. But for now, this is a lot, and this will do just fine for now. I need to get another nail polish rack because with all these polishes, I'm going to need one. But these colors are so freaking pretty, and nothing is broken, which is amazing. So, oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. I thought this green was gonna be a lot darker, but it's like the perfect green, and I thought this was going to be a lot lighter, but this is the perfect blue. All right, so here are all the polishes. I might do a swatch video. I actually have to get some more swatch sticks. I've been really lazy. Like, I haven't been trying to buy anything nail related besides this. But I have to get a new rack. I have to get some more swatch sticks. I just have to get a lot of stuff. But I'm trying to show all the colors. Please don't mind my floor. I dyed my hair blue and it got all over the floor. So yeah, I need to do an updated nail supply collection or nail art collection or whatever you want to call it, because I recently bought a lot of what is it rhinestones in different colors, and they're gonna go perfect with all these gel polishes. So can't wait for that. But here are all of them. A swatch video is coming soon, and the shaking in this camera is horrible, so I do have to get a camera. That will be the next thing I buy. And please don't think I forgot about the giveaway. I am definitely doing my giveaway. I just have been very busy, and I just haven't had the time to pick out what I want to get you guys, and I don't want to just give you anything. So the giveaway is coming soon. I haven't forgot about it. I am definitely doing it. That's why I have been saving my money and stuff. 1, because of my birthday, and 2, so I can do my giveaway, because it's something that I really want to do. But yeah, other than that, these colors, I'm like flabbergasted because these colors are gorgeous. And I am quitting my job. My last day is July 23rd. So I can do color nails now, and I can focus on my YouTube channel, most importantly, because I love doing YouTube videos. But here are all the colors spread out. So freaking pretty. I can't wait to use these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.